Hello everyone. Before we start the video tutorial series on n8n automation, I will first guide you on how to obtain the API key from OpenAI. First, you need to log in to the OpenAI website. You will log in as an API platform. After successfully logging in, go to Building Overview. Click there, and it will take you to a payment page. Initially, it will give you $5 for free. However, at this point, it has run out of connections. You will need to connect a Visa method. Here, you will have to add your Visa card or a credit card for payment. You will spend about $5.50. I have been charged since November 8th, and my total payment has been $0.5. So, I will get $5. Currently, it hasn't cost much at all. After adding the card and charging $5, you will access a page, so go back. On this page, I will go back. Now, going back to this page, there will be a page for printing. You will look here to see how many tokens each model returns. For example, if you send a command, it counts as one request. What does sending in batches mean? Sending in batches means, for example, you send a prompt asking me to translate this sentence. You will have the prompt to translate, and then you send up to 30 sentences along with that. It will count for you as a batch, and usually, there won't be much difference. And you can use for X to make it easier. Or you can batch by 5 or 10 rows, and the optimal version for these is to use 4.0. Mini for testing, which is the cheaper version. If you want to write with high quality, you should use GPT-4. For reading images, I recommend using GPT-4. You can integrate it depending on which version you want to use, either 3 or 4. A mini is also very good. After knowing the price, we will move on to the key part. In this API key section, you create a new one, enter a name here, and click Create to copy your API key. You will copy it according to the prompt from this, which I will send in the comments. Then you can go to Google, and if you want to follow me to continue with some API request calls. For a beginner joining the n8n market, it's best to download Postman. It's very easy to download and just start it up. After that, you will click to add a new one and pass this in there. In the header section, you pull this out to adjust the header. When adjusting the header, you will replace this API key with your own API key. Then you will call and click to view, and it will return a response. Then we will check that when we send 0 as user and content as hello test API key, right? It will return a message like this. You will look at it and evaluate. Prompt token input is 12 tokens. Output is 47 tokens. So you calculate that the output is usually 4 times. The price of the output is usually 4 times. Input of 47 tokens does not mean 47 characters, you know. Usually in English, it can be 2 or 3 times, while in Vietnamese it can be even more. It can be up to 3 or 4 times the number of characters. Let's say I copy this, 47 tokens. Right, then I will try it with the trans. It is 235 characters, right? But 235 characters is about 400 times, right? 400 times. So I have guided you on how to get the API key. In the next video, I will guide you on how to install n8n. Install n8n on Docker Desktop. Install n8n, and if possible, I will guide you on how to deploy it on VPS as well. Thank you for watching the video.